Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Kawasaki Versys 650. This twin-cylinder 650 Sport Tour just arrived with 45,000 miles on the odometer. Runs beautifully. It's equipped with the luggage cases, top case, engine guards, hand guards, tall windscreen, gear shift indicator, just serviced and ready to make your commuter dreams come true. Come on by and take advantage of this low price Versys 650. Great bike for the commute or doing some sport touring. Price to sell just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. It's also got some running lights down there. Custom seat. Adjustable levers. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.